I wanted to create a phylogenetic tree using things around the house to fully understand how relationships between species can be expressed. I decided to gather up some fruits and vegetables from the kitchen to create my phylogenetic tree. Phylogenetic trees are used to show the evolutionary relationship between OTUs, or operational taxonomic units, that differentiate by a new phenotype every step of the way. These OTUs can be a species or strain of virus that are based on differences in their DNA sequence. The OTUs I'll be using today are different fruits and vegetables. There are two types of phylogenetic trees, unrooted and rooted. Unrooted trees show the distance between OTUs, but the way in which the organisms diverge or differentiate from each other is unknown. The other kind of tree is a rooted tree. These trees show the difference between OTUs, and the order in which the organisms separate from each other is inferred by comparing to the outgroup. While we're on the topic, an outgroup is the OTU/organism that is known to have diverged earlier than the others. There are also two types of lineage evolution, cladogenesis and anagenesis. Cladogenesis is where one lineage splits into two, causing biological diversity. Anagenesis is evolution within a lineage over time. In our phylogenetic tree, we will see cladogenesis. In this case, we will also have a rooted tree because we know how the OTUs diverged. Here we have 9 fruits and vegetables: a tomato, carrot, banana, strawberries, asparagus, apple, lime, clementines, and cauliflower. The carrot is going to be our outgroup since they grow underground, while all the other plants we are going to focus on are grown above ground. Next, we will have a split that separates the remaining vegetables from the fruit. You will see here the fruit continues on, and we have asparagus and cauliflower that diverge. Each fruit or vegetable is going to have a most recent common ancestor. This is the point before divergence at each branch of the tree. These common ancestors are represented by internal nodes, which are here at each point of divergence. The common ancestor here is fruit. The next internal node separates fruits that have seeds from fruits that don't have seeds. This is why we see bananas diverge here. Next, we see the round phenotype. This characteristic makes strawberries diverge since they don't have a circular shape. Going on, our next phenotype is fruit that grows on trees. This rules out the remaining tomatoes since it grows close to the ground. The apple, clementine, and lime all grow on trees. These OTUs are next split by being a citrus fruit or not. Since the apple is not a citrus fruit, it diverges. Lastly, the clementine is separated from the lime because it does not have the sour, acidic flavor that is characterized by the lime.